In fact, I teach people also, in my programs I teach people, if somebody is shouting on you, thank them. Many people ask me like, sir, when somebody is shouting on me, why should I thank? Very simple, I'll put other way now. When somebody is shouting on you, you shout back them. You shout back, what will happen? They shout back, you shout back, and what is your energy now? Your energy becomes negative. But instead of that, you say thank you. So this thanking word or this particular word is a magic, 100% is a magic. So keep thanking for every situation, whatever you have. Okay, I'm physically fit. I'm mentally fit. I'm able to sleep properly. I'm having my food every day. You can keep on listing on this. I'm staying in a country which is safe. I'm thankful for the government. I'm thankful for the people. I'm thankful for the people around me. I can just say, when you keep on thanking this, what actually happens is, again I repeat it, your energy becomes positive. That when your energy becomes positive, you attract much more in your life. Okay, this is a simple formula. I'm not trying to say don't ask for it. You ask for the bigger goals, but first thank for whatever you are holding. Thank for whatever you are having. The whatever you are holding, even if you're holding 100 rupees in your pocket, say thank you. Believe me, the universe will bless you more. Thanking is what, even if I don't have anything, for the present situation I'm thankful. Even when I'm going through challenges, I'm saying thank you. Believe me, this is one vibrant tool which I can say is a very, very powerful tool, and this can change everything in your life. It has to come with practice. It will come with practice, and just don't chant. You're getting me? Don't chant, just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel it and just say thank you. I take a white paper, okay? I like to take a white paper like this, and I mark something here. I mark something here. I'm going to focus this, and I'm going to ask you, what are you seeing this? You know, the most of the people's answer will be, I can see something in the center. Okay, it looks like a bird, it looks like a house, it looks like a tree, and so on and so on and so on. The more you focus, the more you come closer and closer and closer, you will see more into this. You know, what I want to relate to? Actually, I never ask what you see here. I just ask what you see. Okay, it's only a white paper with a black dot. This black dot is our problem area or our challenges area, and this white space is the opportunity. What is the ratio between your opportunity or your problems? Huge, right? But when you start focusing on your problems closer and closer, what happens? Your problem becomes bigger and bigger. So from today onwards, try to focus on your opportunity area and just say this is nothing. Whenever you come across any situations in your life, any challenges in your life, remember this. I got a huge opportunity and there's a small challenge in my life, and I can overtake this. Okay? So remember this, and this will change your life.